In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot for free in your web browser. If you've been curious about trying an AI assistant without installing anything, this is as straightforward as it gets. The entire process centers on one simple action: using your web browser to visit copilot.microsoft.com. Type that address into the URL bar, press enter, and you'll arrive at Microsoft's Copilot experience, available to use at no cost. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean chat-style interface designed to help you get things done. Think of Copilot as a conversational partner that can draft text, summarize information, brainstorm ideas, help plan projects, or explain concepts in plain language. Because it runs in the browser, there's nothing extra to download, and it works on modern versions of popular browsers. A stable internet connection will make everything feel smooth and responsive. When you're ready to interact, look for the prompt area on the page. That's where you enter your request. Clear, specific prompts tend to produce the best results. For example, instead of saying help with email, try draft a polite follow-up email confirming a meeting next Tuesday, keep it concise, and include a friendly closing. You can also set expectations right in your message by indicating tone, length, or format. If the first answer isn't exactly what you had in mind, refine your prompt and ask for changes. Iteration is normal and helps the assistant dial in on your goal. A quick privacy reminder: avoid sharing sensitive personal, financial, or confidential business information in your prompts. Treat your requests as you would any online interaction, and keep details general when possible. If you plan to use Copilot for research or learning, ask it to explain, compare, or outline topics and steps. For creative work, you can request brainstorming lists, taglines, or outlines, then ask it to expand on the options you like. For productivity tasks, try summarizing long text you paste in, generating checklists, or drafting messages you can polish before sending. The more context you provide, the more tailored the responses will be. To recap, the path is remarkably simple. Open your preferred browser and go to copilot.microsoft.com. From there, you can start using the AI assistant for free right in the page with no installs required. Explore, iterate, and guide it with clear instructions, and you'll quickly see how it can save time, spark ideas, and help you communicate more effectively. Enjoy experimenting and make it work for the way you think and create.